Hey there! Are you craving a warm, comforting bowl of soup that'll make your taste buds dance? Today I'm going to show you how to make the most incredible meatball soup you've ever tasted. It's super easy, perfect for cold days, and I promise your family will be asking for seconds. You'll find all the ingredients in the description below. Let's get cooking! Alright, let's dive right into making this delicious meatball soup. First up, we need to prepare our meatballs. In a large bowl, combine your ground beef with some grated parmesan cheese, a beaten egg, minced garlic, a sprinkle of Italian seasoning, fresh chopped parsley, a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and some breadcrumbs. You can mix this with a spoon, but honestly, using your hands is the best way to ensure everything is well combined. If the mixture feels a bit dry, just add a few teaspoons of water to help it come together smoothly. Once your meat mixture is ready, it's time to shape it into meatballs. Aim for small balls, about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch in size. This size is perfect for soup, as they cook quickly and are easy to eat. Place each meatball on a baking sheet that you've coated with a bit of cooking spray to prevent sticking. Try to keep them evenly spaced so they cook uniformly. Now let's get these meatballs cooking. Preheat your broiler to medium or high heat. Slide the baking sheet under the broiler and let the meatballs cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. You're looking for them to be lightly browned, which will add a nice depth of flavor to your soup. Keep an eye on them so they don't overcook. While the meatballs are browning, let's start on the soup base. Heat some olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add in your diced onion, sliced celery, and diced carrots. These veggies form the aromatic base of our soup, and you'll want to cook them until they're tender, which should take about 4 or 5 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the onions are translucent and the carrots have softened.
And if you want to improve your recipes, I'll share a little secret with you. The knife set I use is great for all kinds of dishes. It's the one that helps me achieve those delicious results. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description. You'll be surprised by the difference.
Next, it's time to add some liquid and flavor to our pot. Pour in crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, and beef broth. Season with a bit more Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. Bring this mixture to a simmer, allowing all those flavors to meld together. The aroma at this point is going to be incredible, with the tomatoes and herbs creating a rich, inviting scent. With the soup base simmering, carefully add your broiled meatballs and some pasta to the pot. Let everything simmer together for about 10 minutes. This will cook the pasta and allow the meatballs to soak up some of that delicious broth. You can use any small pasta shape you like, such as ditalini or orzo, and feel free to adjust the cooking time based on the pasta's package instructions. For an extra layer of flavor, gather some parsley leaves, bay leaves, and black peppercorns in a cheesecloth bundle and add it to the pot. This herb bundle will infuse the soup with a subtle, aromatic depth. Let it simmer for an additional 5 minutes, then remove the bundle before serving. This step is optional, but it really elevates the dish. Finally, it's time to serve up your soup. Ladle it into bowls and top with some freshly chopped parsley for a pop of color and freshness. If you're a cheese lover, sprinkle a bit more parmesan on top. This soup is hearty, comforting, and perfect for any day of the week. Enjoy!